Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. So like it says on this add yours button, we have to search for that Yankee music song with our initial. So let's show you how to do it. First we have to go on our Instagram app, of course, then click to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram page you have to go to new 22 March at highlights, and from here you just have to tap until you find the desired sticker. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with you. You can add any other photo you like. You can now place your sticker where you want. And then you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and let's choose our music. Go to music. Here you have to type in Daddy Yankee, just like this. And then you have to type in your first initial. This is for me, but if I choose with A, it doesn't have too much options. Oh, we have this one, Cecina. Click on it. Then click down from the right top corner. Place it where you want. And then share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram channel, so on my Instagram account, and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.